Enjoy the view, guys. There's even a train. I wish I could put my bike in that train and just go back down that way. Oh my god. I'm so nervous to go back down. So we're at the top of Mount Washington right now. This is the summit. Man.
Get down, man. I need a drink or something.
Yeah.
My nerves up. I'm so terrified.
You and me both.
I don't even know. I'm not even afraid of heights.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm so afraid of heights.
Oh shit. I just gotta keep breathing, man.
My hands hurt from holding my handlebars so tight.
Me too. At one point, like a few times I have to remind myself to let go. Like I was holding it
Yeah.
tight. And then it got colder. Like you felt the cold.
You felt, oh man. Especially when we went on that gravel, I'm like, oh man, are you kidding me? There's gravel?
I was like, oh fuck, how do I turn around? I'm like, even if I wanted to turn around, how do I turn around?
Exactly.
Dropping my bike or fucking sliding down the mountain.
Oh man. Anyway, no choice. We gotta go back down.
You take one deep breath and just fucking go down.
Yeah. I just hope I go down the slow way, not the fast way. Alright guys, I'm gonna start filming when I start riding back down. Wish me luck. Alright. Here goes nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, don't do that. You're making me nervous. Okay, at least there's no traffic. Oh boy. I'm so sorry, Phoenix. Oh man. Relax, relax, relax. It's okay. I'm gonna be on first gear the whole way down. I'm sorry. I'm too chicken. Why is there even gravel? Man, that's the part I'm worried about. Okay, maybe it's not that bad. And just because I said that, okay, this part's gonna suck balls. Don't look down. My hands hurt from holding the handlebars so tight. Oh my god, that's a sharp turn down. Scary. Oh my lord, my dick just shrunk. I'm just kidding. Relax, relax. Okay, here comes the hard part. Okay, here goes nothing. Let the engines cool down.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
I told you, it's not that bad. You just let the engine do all the work. Honestly, if there's no one in front of me, I could just...
Alright, break time.
One eternity later.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. I'll go that way, Ali.
You're good? I'm stuck. Okay. Here we go. Fuck, this was a wide turn. Oh, Phoenix doesn't like this. Fucking asshole. abusing you, riding you so hard this whole week. It's over. Oh, that was a roller coaster ride. We did it.